Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist practicing in Bangalore at Dr. Dixit Clinics, Koramangala. Girls nowadays are opting for permanent makeup, and this is a trend which is picking up because a lot of people in Iran and in Iraq, they have a lot of permanent makeup, permanent eyebrows, permanent lip tattoos, so that they always look made up. This is both a good thing and a bad thing. Good thing, obviously, you don't have to go and do your makeup if you're in a rush and things like that. But the bad thing is, if it's done in a bad way, then it's a very difficult thing to remove because it's a tattoo, it's a permanent structure. It does fade over time, but if you have to get it removed, you need laser and it has to be removed with a laser. A lot of people get the permanent tattoo done and then they want to do the laser to lighten out the neighboring area. In this case, it is not a very safe option because the pigment which is there in the tattoo interferes with the laser. So you may end up accidentally reducing the effect of the pigment in the area which you have actually paid for permanent makeup when you're trying to remove the pigment from a neighboring area. So if you're planning to get a permanent tattoo done, finish your laser hair reduction procedures, finish your laser skin tightening procedures first, then go for the permanent tattoo. Second thing, think 100 times because your facial features do change with time. What is looking very attractive, fully bright, pigmented lips may not look great when you are a little older and you may be stuck with it for life. So think twice before you get anything permanent done on your face.